Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to remove phone number on BingX. To remove a phone number that is associated with BingX is super easy. Launch open your BingX application and log into your account. After signing into BingX, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. After opening up your profile, go ahead and scroll down and tap on Security Center. Under Security Verification options, tap on the little arrow and you will be able to expand the menu further. Now tap on Phone Verification and click on Remove Phone. In order to remove your phone, you'll need to link an email and enable email verification first. Click the Confirm button and then on the next page, go ahead and verify your email and phone number first. Tap on Get Code under SMS verification and enter the code that you received via SMS. Once you receive the SMS code, type it down in the first text box. Similarly, you will also need to verify your email. Click the Get Code button under Email Verification and wait for both of the codes to appear. Once it arrives, type it down in the respective text boxes and click on Confirm. Right after you click on Confirm, you will be able to remove your verified phone number. That is how you can easily remove your associated phone number on BingX account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.